Before when we started this video, you might know that YouTube was removed this video from my channel. And after one day, when I share Enderman's helping video, and that's confused because this video survived 2 years and nothing was wrong. Okay, YouTube don't like word 1/6-bit word, okay. When he deletes also Enderman's DOS programs running on Windows 10, and when I ask him by YouTube why I got delete that, then YouTube tells me I must read, please, community guidelines, terms, thank you, and yes, I got also 1 strike. Let's go. Okay. So when YouTube will give me another strike, I will end on YouTube. Like seriously. Like YouTube, you stupid. You get worse and worse last time. So when it gets worse with YouTube and will be terminating creators for no reason, then I will moving to Odyssey like Enderman. Oh, and I have their channel. You can there follow me. Link to my new safest channel is in the description. Oh yeah, and Odyssey is like YouTube but safer, and nowhere is there banning from no reason. So let's start it to the video. I'm chatting Google Mail and I look into the spam and I had seen this email from NordVPN support. This gaat NordVPN.partners. So I know that this is fake because Nord don't have here, and we look why it is fake. So when you get this email also too with YouTube partnership, this is fake because you can also see mega.nz. So this is for mega, that's fake. So okay, let's read it. Hello, my name is Jacobus. Jacobus. I am the PM manager of NordVPN. We specialize in secure internet connections, helping people feel secure on the internet web. We are interested in working with you and promoting our services, your channel. We would like to purchase a pre-roll on your channel and embed the link in the description below the video. To start our cooperation, we are sending you the archive contain actual pre-roll video and no. So this must be a video. Okay, that's document or and video. Sample document work with description text, links to our sources, payment work. Click here, link to click here. That doesn't work because we must copy, and password is NordVPN. Wow, very good password. We are very interested in working with you. We want to get great statistics of our advertising. You will definitely be satisfied after advertising with us. Thank you for time and attention. We are waiting for your response. Best. Okay, so he also said thank you that I download this file and he got my information. Oh my god. Okay, so let's see what activities do. So I risk myself and I run virtual machine with Windows Superlight Edition, but Windows 11 Superlight Edition, and we will see what this file actually is. And we can also respawn him. Try that. Okay, we are here and let's see. Oh god, that's... GVD1 and BPD hashtag bro. How? I must install the check keyboard where I show you a funny thing. When you go to the Windows update, you will see that updates is paused in yes. Ooh, okay. Dude, look at that. To this year is this updates paused, so we have a lot of time. Fine, I copy this one again, and I won't be paste it again here. What the fuck? No, I don't want this. Okay, so we have this, and when we click yes. So what this file is? Okay, NordVPN YouTube promo.rar. Oh wow, file with rar. Okay. We started downloading the file and we will see. Complete. So now install and we are done. So we'll see what is this. So now by 7-zip we open this, and okay, a little folder here, and we have these two files. Okay, let's see what this is. So document, okay, bro, again, this is a screensaver. You can bro, that, so this is an exe file. Oh my goodness. And NordVPN promo YouTube Spring. Bro, look at that, how it is look like that. So you can say that this isn't not a virus. So let's see what it's inside when we look us. Okay, the nice password. What they was. Not VPN. And Canon Start Editor. Okay. That's a pretty weird thing. I copy these files right now here. And let me show these files inside. But advanced file we will see. So okay, I'm done. And well, bro, Are you serious? Bro, this... You can see that. Look at that. The screensaver. And he is... Wait. And how it will look like that. Bro. Windows 10 video. How it is look. And NordVPN promo also as a document. What actually make when we delete this CJR file? Can we fix it? Let's see. Yes. And here we are. This is how video looks like. And like that, it doesn't look like as normal video, bro. And also Microsoft Word. I don't have Microsoft Word installed here, but let's see what this do actually. Ha! A new file is broken. Oh my god. Wait, I put some test here and let's see how he responds. So I also delete this one because I know that this is a virus. Wait. Bro, wait, I don't have... Yeah, what bad, okay. Always. Oh my god, that's so funny. Then I will see the scammer's reaction. And now I make a little bit scared that it doesn't work. Let's see his reactions. Hey, thank you, Jakob. I don't know the files, but it doesn't work when I want to open the video. Then media file tell me that the video is broken, and when I open the document, then my WordPad crashes. So can you help me how to fix it, please? Thanks, Max. Okay. Not working program.png. Oh my god. So, okay. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. The WordPad actually work. This program cannot be in the DS mode. Okay. Oh my goodness. What actually will be happen when we name the file? When we run the file. Okay, I'm a little confused, but so first one, I turn off my internet connection right now, and now I'm pretty safe right now. So okay, now when let's see, I run as administrator. What will happen? Okay, for that when internet is down, then I must this Windows again reinstall that, like for now. So what actually? It actually runs something, but okay, let's see again. What actually, bro, I hate this new task manager. Bro, that's annoying that the tabs are right now here and not here by default. Why? Okay, so okay, what is this SDS? Wait, where I have the here we are. So what is here wrong? Let's test it out. Okay, this oh my goodness. Wait, and when we efficiency mode open file locations, here we are. Here is the SDs. Okay, it's actually fine. Wait, what? Wait. Lol. Okay. It actually tells them that MP4 file is not supported on this device. But that's only a pop-up window. Bro, what the fuck? And what will happen when we look this one like an exe file? Let's see. Task manager here, and here we are. Here we are. A lot memory he used. And what is okay. That's framework. So what is again here wrong? Okay. Okay. It's same thing says in the notes, the text file. So if you see this file, don't download them. Delete this file right now. Go away and empty the recycle bin, and you are done. But don't do that this on your home because it's dangerous. And what I mean is that this program must make. So it must go to your Google Chrome data, and you will move all your data, passwords, what you have saved on Chrome. Then it will be send it to the virus, to the scammer, and your informations are gone. So here we are. So thank you for watching. Don't download this virus, and bye.